Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to give the useful informations to the research community, especially related to the articles, citations, h-index and i10-Index. Let's start the video. First, I will open the Google Chrome. Then I will open my Google Scholar page. So this is my Google Scholar page. It's loading. So here you can see different articles and conference paper published here. So totally there are 16 papers here you can see. So these are the titles and authors and corresponding journals and all. So there are two different options are available in Google Scholar to see the articles. One is based on the citation, here they referred as a cited by. Another method is based on the year. First I will explain about the cited by. Here you can see one of my paper got more citation in comparison with other papers, 32 followed by 19. So here, so this paper got the first position, 32. Okay, the 19, 17 like that. This is based on the citations. Another method to see the article based on the year. If you press the year button, so it will show based on the published year. Okay, so this is the two different methods available to see the research articles. Okay, coming to the other parameters which is showing here, citations, h-index, i10-Index. So the heading 104, 64 and all. So here I would like to give the detailed explanation about how they are calculating citations, h-index and i10-Index. Okay. For that I would like to open the Excel sheet for the understanding purpose. Okay. For the calculation, I will keep in the two different windows. Okay. First I will put like a articles example. Article 1, article 2, so like that up to 16 article. Okay, this is my total number of article available in the Google Scholar. Okay, then followed by the citations. Okay, then I will add one more top row to give the title or like, okay, this is article number or something. Okay, it's fine, like citations. Okay, here I will go to the cited by or cited by here. Then we can see, okay, 104. Okay, then I will explain here how they are calculating that one. So let's consider irrespective of the like article number, I am giving the just for article name. So there is no relation between title and this one all. There is no irrelevant, just I am giving examples only. Okay, example, by not my article got 32, so I will enter the 32, and the second article 19, 17, 12. So further 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 1, remaining 2 more, 1 and 1. Okay, then here I would like to give the sum. So that is simple option, starting from B2. Otherwise I will select directly. Okay, now we can see 104. This is how they are calculating the citations in the Google Scholar. Okay, then go to the cited by, you can see 104. So we got the 104, right? I will highlight with a different color to understanding purpose. Next one is h-index. I will put h-index. So they are giving 6. Okay, I will explain about, this is 6 value. Okay, I will explain about 6 now. Okay, then I will go to the again articles. Okay, so yes, 6. Okay, let's consider 6. What it mean? My 6 articles got the citation of minimum 6 times. That means here I will explain now. So let's consider this is a 6. Okay, I will put the 6 here. Okay, then here also 6 time cited, then additionally one more time also cited. One more time no need consider right now. I will consider. So 6 and above articles we need to consider cited. Okay, this is 1, counting 2, second article, third, fourth article, and fifth article also got more than 6 times, and sixth article. Okay, 6 times. So here my 6 articles got minimum citation of 6 times. That is called the H index. Okay, I will keep different color for that also to understanding purpose. Okay, coming to the next one, so is i10-Index. i10-Index is very simple. i10-Index. Okay, they are telling 4. Okay, let's skip 4 number here. Okay, here you can see 4 number. Okay, I kept the 4 number here. I will explain. Okay, so here articles got more citation than 10 and above. Okay, here this is one article, second article, third article, and this is the fourth article. So fifth article I don't have the 10 citations. That's what, like, I have 4 articles which cited by the 10 times. That's what I10 index was. They are calculating based on that one. Okay, so this is how they are calculating. So first I will I explained about the articles. There are 2 different methods to view. One is cited by, another one is based on the year. Next I give the example of citations, how they are calculating, and number of H index and I10 index. So here we can see easily the reference from here. So 104, 6 and 4, here 104, 6 and 4. So this is how they are calculating in the Google Scholar for the different articles. Okay, let's put in the different format to more clear view. I will select it and I will keep this in the different color. Okay, I will keep very light color here. If you have any doubt related to this citations, H index and I10 index, please give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.